If you can see a building right behind me, it's called Tirana Pyramid. Tirana Pyramid is one of the most usual and symbolic building in the Tirana. It was built in 1980s as a museum honoring the communist leader Enver Hoxha. So we're gonna go inside first, then we're gonna climb to the top of this pyramid building, like an attraction to the tourists, so they can go and climb to the top and can have a 360 panoramic view of the Tirana city. If you see on the stairs, there's so many people going on the top of the pyramid, and some of them coming back. So I'm gonna go inside first, then I will go to the top and enjoy the 360 panoramic view. This is the front door to get inside this pyramid. If you can see on the top over there, we have to climb through the stairs to go over there, and it's time for us to climb those stairs and get to the top. When you reach to the halfway, there is a bridge. It's connected to the two stairs, so you can come here and you can take some breath. Finally, I reached to the top, and I can have a 360 view or panoramic view of the city. If you see behind those buildings, that is Daiti Mountain, and also there is a cable car. It's called Daiti Express. Those two towers in front of me is called Twin Tower, and it's very famous in Tirana. And on the right hand side is a Skanderberg Square. A beautiful view of Namazgah Mosque, Great Mosque of Tirana. Sun is about to set, and you can see behind those twin towers, and the sky looks so beautiful. Color is so nice. So I'm just recording for you so you can enjoy this view. And if you like this video, please like and share. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. If you see all the way to the bottom over there, so there is police cars and so many police officers over there. So when I was talking to one of the local, they said there is going to be one demonstration at 6, and it's about some political demonstration. So this is why there is so many police officers are here. And they're gonna if you see this main road in front of me, so police is going to block this road at 6 or maybe before 6 to make sure the protest goes smoothly and there is no problem. I'm going to the other side of this pyramid to enjoy the another view.
Hi.
This is Tirana city, capital of Albania. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. Tell your friend and family. If you see this glass, this is for the lights.
I made it first. I made it first for a wall.
Sun is keep going down slowly. Many people are sitting and waiting here for sunset to take a picture with sunset or video. If you're planning to visit Tirana, I'm suggest you to come and visit Pyramid and climb to the top at sunset time, so you can have a nice view as well, and you can take nice picture with the sunset or video if you want. If you see on a road, there is so many people over here, and they're doing some demonstration. It's some kind of the political demonstration going on here. I wasn't expecting any demonstration or any political activities during my holidays. You see, there is different TV channels are covering this demonstration. Sorry. And the good thing about this demonstration, they are very peaceful. They're not shouting and nothing. I wanted to show you the night view of Pyramid. The lights are lit, and the view of Pyramid is so beautiful. And also there is a lot of people. They're doing the demonstrate.